Welcome to Aiello's Locksmiths of Atlanta. Today we are going to talk about Panic Hardware 101 by the Detex Corporation. In this video, we will answer 4 questions, most commonly asked about panic device hardware. Okay, let's get started. What is panic hardware? Defined as a life safety product, panic hardware is a door latching assembly, incorporating an actuating member, usually called an actuating bar or push pad, which releases the mechanical latching, or locking mechanisms, upon the application of force in the direction of exit travel. Panic hardware, also known as an exit device, or fire exit hardware when used on fire doors, is designed to provide fast and easy egress to allow building occupants to exit safely in an emergency. Where is panic hardware required? The International Building Code, IBC 2006, requires panic exit hardware to be installed on certain types of buildings, such as assembly occupancies with an occupant load of 50 people or more, educational occupancies with an occupant load of 50 people or more, high hazard occupancies with any occupant load. In addition, high hazard occupancies, as well as certain electrical and battery rooms, must include panic exit hardware. Code officials may require panic exit hardware on other types of buildings depending on local jurisdiction. These requirements only apply to doors that lock or latch. They do not apply if a door has push-pull hardware and no lock or latch. What are the requirements for panic devices? Where panic hardware is required, the actuating portion of the device, touchpad or crossbar, must be at least half the width of the door leaf. Current codes require panic hardware to be mounted between 34 inches and 48 inches above the floor. A force of 15 pounds applied to the touchpad or crossbar must release the latch. However, some codes have recently been modified to require door hardware to operate with 5 pounds of force, and the more stringent limitation may apply to panic hardware in jurisdictions where these codes have been adopted. No additional locking device, deadlock, chain, padlock, and hasp, etc., may be installed on a door required to have panic hardware, and panic hardware may not be equipped with any device that prevents the release of the latch when the touchpad or crossbar is pressed. The exception to this is a delayed egress, or controlled egress device, allowed by code in certain applications. What about special testing? When panic hardware is used on fire doors, it must be fire exit hardware, and the door must be equipped with a label stating, "Fire door to be equipped with fire exit hardware." Fire exit hardware is labeled for panic and fire, and is not equipped with a mechanical dogging mechanism. An electric latch retraction device may be used to provide dogging for fire exit hardware, as long as the latch projects automatically upon actuation of the smoke detection system. Of course, panic hardware can always be installed for convenience, security, or durability, even if it is not required by code. The AHJ may also request panic hardware in other instances if he or she believes that a hazard exists which warrants a need for panic hardware in order to provide life safety. Panic hardware does not have to relatch after closing. However, most panic hardware does relatch. Detex offers both relatching and deadbolting panic hardware. Detex's relatching panic hardware is found in both Advantex and Value series lines. Detex's exit control locks are deadbolting panic hardware. This concludes our video on Panic Hardware 101. If you have any questions, comments, schedule an appointment, or want to make a purchase, please feel free to call at 404-365-8556. Or you can visit us on the web at aielloslocksmiths.com. Thank you for watching.